Hey crafter! A lot of you guys have reached out and asked questions about how to install and use a walking foot. Now, this is a presser foot that is helpful for so many different projects, from quilts to jeans to jackets to leather, vinyl, canvas. It comes in really handy, and the reason being that it has an extra set of feed dogs, so it's going to press your fabric through your sewing machine from both the top and the bottom. So it's going to be a lot more even. It's also going to be a lot easier on your sewing machine when you're working with thicker fabrics. So it's something to just have in your toolbox that's always easy to come back to. But how do you install it? So that's where this video really breaks it down with a quick tip that a lot of other videos leave out, so that way you can get started and on your way without the frustration. Even though a walking foot can look really intimidating and a little wonky, installing it is actually pretty simple once you learn this little tip. This movable bar at the top of your walking foot needs to go over the screw on the inside of your sewing machine. Now, here's another angle to help make it easy. As you install it, just as you would any other presser foot, you're going to make sure that that bar rests on top of this bar on the inside of your sewing machine. Then you're just going to tighten it into place, just as you would switching out any other presser foot. Without this movable arm resting in the correct position, as you sew, your walking foot isn't going to move up and down correctly, and it's not going to work the way that you want it to. So here I'm going to show you from this inside angle how it looks once your machine is running. So I hope that this extra view and this little tip made it easier for you and was helpful. If you'd like to see more projects and tutorials, be sure to check out creativefashionblog.com. Thanks so much and happy crafting!